What's up there, Sports Car World? Cody here with Card Attractions, as I said, and we are ripping. We got some 2020 Contenders, Panini. If you guys want to pause it there and check out the odds, you're more than welcome to. It says 6 autographs per box. We actually got 3 of these boxes. I'm only going to rip one right now, but picked up 3 of them. I seen online they're selling for a pretty good amount of money, so went down to the local card shop and actually picked these up. So we're gonna rip right into these, waste no time. Alright. Pack number 1. 6 autos per box. Of course, all autos are nice. Really looking for a guy. Collect. Luis Roberts, always a good one. Man, I don't know who this is. Where's their name at? Oh, there it is. Kyle Hendricks, Mookie Betts, Mike Moustakas, Max Muncy, Nolan Arenado, Charlie Blackmon, nice Fernando Tatis, Justin Verlander, Clevenger, Clayton Kershaw, Freddie Freeman. Oh, is this our auto hit? It sure is. Christian Pache, that's a really nice hit, actually. Really nice on-card auto right there. It's not numbered. Very nice auto hit. Alright, then a really nice Ken Griffey Jr. card. Always take one of those. Tyler Freeman and Oscar Clark. So, not a bad pack. Not too many big hits. Did get the Christian Pache auto. Very nice right there. Alright, pack number 2. Jeff McNeil, Alex Bregman, Matt Boyd, Vladimir Guerrero, Ramudo, Aaron Judge, Kyle Seager, Reynolds, Brian Anderson. What we got here? John Means, Cracked Ice, numbered out of 23. Card number 4 of 23. That's very nice, actually. Very, very nice card. Number 4 of 23. Alright, let's keep going. We got a purple parallel here. Mike Soroka, Lance Lynn, Jonathan Villar. And here's our auto. It's a sticker auto. And it's Miguel Amaya. I'm not familiar with him. Looks like a catcher. Then we got Pearson, Austin Hendricks, Pedro Martinez, Hall of Famer, and Pete Alonso. Alright, so Pack number 2. Alright, so we got David Fletcher. Nice Juan Soto. Hang on to that one. Francisco Lindor, Jack Flaherty, Aaron Nola, Matt Chapman, Chris Paddock, Cody Bellinger, Austin Meadows, Eduardo Rodriguez, Martinez, Shohei Ohtani, nice, Chris Bryant, Dom Nunez, rookie roundup, sticker auto. Nobody really big. I definitely have to say that Christian Pache so far is the best auto. Got on the Franco, definitely keep that card there. That's a nice one. Future Stars. Got Ryan Sandberg, legendary. Austin Martin. And Alex Bregman, game day. Alright. Nothing too huge out of that pack. Tim Anderson, Jorge Soler, Eloy Jimenez, Yohan Moncada. Got all the White Sox. Molina, Javier Baez, Trevor Story, Mike Trout, nice. Tyler Glasnow, Jose Altuve. We got a Randy Arozarena sticker auto. Would you look at that? That is a very, very good card. Wow. It's not a Luis Robert who I collect, but it is Randy Arozarena, and I will take it. I got 2 great autos out of this box so far. Alright, Yordan Alvarez. Another one there I'll sleeve up. Justin Verlander, game day. Dylan Carlson. And Sanchez. So not a bad pack there. 6 months ago would have pulled a Randy or middle of last year would have pulled a Randy Arozarena and nobody would have wanted it. Now they're worth money. It's funny how that happens. Alright. Josh Donaldson, Max Scherzer, Whit Merrifield, Xander Bogaerts, Garrett Cole, Josh Hader, Albert Pujols, Nelson Cruz, Ryu, Shane Bieber, Gleyber Torres, Marco Gonzalez, Ozzie Albies, and our hit is a Garrett Mitchell. It's numbered 29 of 99 on card auto. Really nice. Don't know much about him. Let's leave that up. So there's still one more auto in the other pack. Hopefully it's a real good one. Julio Rodriguez, Mackenzie Gore, Campos, and Cody Bellinger. Remember, guys, I do got 2 more boxes of these that will be open here in the near future. Marte, Charlie Morton, Castillo, Machado, Manny Machado, Anthony Rendon, John Means, Newman, Bell, Ronald Acuna, it's a nice one. Jeff McNeil, Alex Bregman, And our hit card is going to be an Oscar Colas sticker auto. So, they did give us the 6 autos like they said they were. Oh, nice Mark McGuire there. Hang on to that. Javier Baez. So, that is it, guys. That does wrap up the break for the 2020 Panini Contenders. Did get some real good ones here. First off, hit of the box is going to be the Randy Arozarena. Yeah, I don't know. The Christian Pache is another good one, too. So, definitely these two right here are my top cards out of this box. Really nice. Didn't pull on Luis Roberts, so. We got an Oscar Colas. Then we got this Garrett Mitchell on-card auto, numbered 29 or 28 of 99. I'm not too familiar with this guy as well. We got Dom Nunez, sticker auto. And then we got Miguel Amaya. So, 2 really decent autos. And then rest okay. Did get another Griffey to add to the Griffey PC. I pulled this John Memes. Really nice cracked ice, numbered 4 of 23. I don't know if you guys can see that right there. Really nice card. Don't know the value of it. Then just some other ones like Juan Soto, personal favorites, Wander Franco, Mike Trout, Yordan Alvarez, Ronald Acuna Jr., and Mark McGuire. So that's it, guys. Hope you guys liked and enjoyed the channel, man. Like I said, hit that subscribe button if you have not subscribed. Stay tuned, because I will be coming up the next video with the giveaway for the 1,000 subscribers. Thanks, guys. Have a great day and enjoy.